What's up, everybody? I was at Costco this weekend and I picked up one of these super inexpensive, really delicious rotisserie chickens, and I just happened to have a couple grapes, a little bit of celery, and all the ingredients that I needed to make chicken salad. So I just went and picked up some dill, and I actually had some chives. Crazy. So I'm gonna make chicken salad that we're gonna actually have for dinner tonight. So let's get started on this 5-star chicken salad sandwiches. You're gonna love it. We're actually gonna start this chicken salad recipe by making the dressing that's gonna go on the chicken and the grapes and everything. So you're gonna start with 3/4 cup of mayonnaise. And I'm using a Hellmann's mayonnaise here, which I ended up running out of. Luckily, I had more mayonnaise in the pantry. And this one that I'm using is actually an Aldi mayonnaise. And I usually love the Hellmann's mayonnaise, but I have found that the Aldi mayonnaise is a great dupe for Hellmann's. Now you know. So just 3/4 cup, get that added to a larger bowl that we're gonna mix the dressing in. And I love these large liquid measuring cups. This one's a 4-cup and it's wonderful. Then you need 1/2 cup of sour cream. Again, I just happen to have some sour cream. We had baked potatoes last night for dinner, and so I had a little bit of sour cream left. Get that added to the mayonnaise. Then we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. I've seen this hack before and I wanted to give it a try, where when you just need the juice, you poke a hole in one end of the lemon and then squeeze it. I didn't think that it worked that great, I have to be honest. I find it to be just as easy just to cut the lemon and squeeze it and then get it added. So you need 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Then you're gonna need 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 3/4 teaspoon of kosher salt, and then about 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. And I just eyeballed this with my pepper cracker. Then you're gonna need some dill. This I did have to go to the grocery store for, but it's totally worth it. It does not make your chicken salad taste like dill pickles. It just adds the freshest herby flavor that is perfect. So chop up a little bit of dill. You're gonna need about 1 tablespoon. And so measure that out after you get it chopped and add it to the dressing. Then you're gonna wanna just stir this all together so that everything combines really well and that the dill is dispersed throughout the dressing. Now we can get to making the chicken mixture. So I chopped up my chicken earlier. I have 4 cups of chicken in a bowl, and now we're gonna add in some green onions. I happen to have scallions here, so I chopped those up, but if you have green onions, you'll need 4 chopped green onions. Then you'll need 3 celery stalks. I had smaller ones, so I ended up using 4. But I like to chop them down the middle so that then when you dice them, it's kind of a nicer, smaller dice. So get those added right to the chicken and the green onions. Then you're gonna add in 2 cups of chopped grapes and 1/2 cup of toasted chopped pecans. And I just toast them up in a dry pan until you can kind of smell the nuttiness of the pecans. Now I give this a little stir, and then it's time to bring that dressing back in. So I added about 1/2 of the dressing to this mixture, got it stirred up really nice. Then I added the rest of that dressing and mixed it up one more time, and then it was ready to go. I cannot wait to have this for dinner. Let me show you. I got these really beautiful croissants, so I'll lay down some lettuce, some sliced tomato seasoned with a little pepper, salt, garlic, onion powder, and then pile on this chicken salad. But let me tell you my very, very, very favorite way to eat this chicken salad. Let's see, hopefully I have some here in my cabinet. Maybe I don't. I guess I need to go to the grocery store. My very favorite way is just to scoop up piles of this chicken salad with buttery Ritz crackers. Hands down favorite. Like, somebody will have to take this bowl away from me. because it's that good. So I hope that you make this 5-star chicken salad with grapes sometime in the near future. And if you do, I would love to have you connect with me in the comments. Let me know how you served it. Did you serve it on a salad? Did you serve it with Ritz crackers or on croissants? And I would love to know. So until next week, I hope that this recipe for 5-star chicken salad helps you feel like a success at dinner time. We'll see ya.